Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Classroom with Pearson Realize's education platform. This will allow you to assign work through the Pearson Realize site and then have that work automatically posted to Google Classroom. That way, the only thing your students have to do is to make sure that he or that they are logged into the Google Classroom to access the work. That way, they don't have to log into two different places. So let's get started. First, you want to sign in. Now, I'm assuming, of course, that you, the teacher, already have your teacher account. If you do not, you should contact your school administrator to make sure that you get the necessary information that you need, especially when you have a school account. Your administrator will be responsible for that. I already have mine set up, and actually I was already logged in. So it will take you to this wall here. This little icon down here is my inbox. So when I click on that, I have all these different messages. Just a little extra piece of information there. So how do I integrate these two platforms? First thing I want to do, I want to go up, click on that little icon, account icon, and then I want to click settings. Then I'm going to scroll all the way down to account linking. The next thing I want to do, I want to click connect more Google Classes. Now I have already connected my Google Classroom, my entire Google Classroom, to Pearson Realize. What I have not done is to create specific classes for every single one of them. So what do I want to do here in this case? I'm going to, let's see. I will try this class. So I'm going to pretend, and this is world literature, so I'm going to select the My Perspectives ELA Plus, or Plus ELA, grade 6 through 12, and I'm going to connect my class to that. Once you do that, it will say connected, and then you click Finish and View Class, and then click on Classes here, and then literally you will see a roll. And these are some of the classes that I've already created. I use my world literature classes just to show you how to merge the two. I'm going to use, however, my stunt class here. I did the same here at a different time. So I'm actually going to click on this classroom. I want to look at my students, and I want to see who's there. I see that I already have a student there. In an upcoming video, I'm going to show teachers how to assign work from this platform. The only thing this video is concerned with is how to actually integrate the two classes, or the two platforms, Pearson Realize and Google Classroom. Easy peasy. Thank you so much.